How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's ramble, today's video, this is day 24 of my 30-day photography and video vlog challenge. I want to thank you all so much for your lovely positive comments and your support on this journey here, because like I understand you've taken a lot of your time out to do it. Like, I think it's a bit much for me to put on a video every day and expect you guys to watch it, so I really appreciate you doing it, and I'm sorry for bombarding your inbox with videos every day. But look, not long to go now, and I did mention in one of the videos, or a couple of videos back there, that I want to do something, just a wee gesture on day 30, just to thank you for taking part in it. Now, as I say, it is only a small gesture, but you know, I hope you like it and maybe take part in it. So look, what I'm going to do in day 30, obviously I've just been going through these photographs here, the different photographs that I've taken over the years, you know what I mean, and there's different ones there, but I have a selection I'm thinking of, or getting one of them printed out. But what I'm thinking of doing is that on day 29 possibly, I will get used to leave a wee comment, just if you want in, just anything at all, just even hello, goodbye, anything at all on the last, and I'll do a video closer to it. But make sure you tune in to day 29. What I want to do is I want to do a wee draw for you, and I'll print up a photograph, get it mounted, and then send it off to you. Let us see what way the best way to do this. This is off the cuff, you see, so I haven't really planned it. I want to make sure that you all get a chance to get the photograph, get a chance as if you fucking win the lottery, like. But you know what I mean, you're here for the photography, so I hope you may like the photograph that I pick, get it mounted. But so let's see what way I could work this here. This is day 24. So I've got like an hour 5 video. So what I'll do is each video I'll make a comment about this. Tune in to day 29. I'll get you to leave a wee comment on the video, and then what I'll do is I'll take the names from the people who's commented, and I'll do a draw, and the name will come out, and I'll do that live draw, and then that way, whoever it is, you can get a signed photograph there of one in the collection. Okay, so listen guys, I'm going to wrap this up. It's Sunday. Had a lovely weekend with the beautiful Sheena and her wee cats, and I'm just going to wind down and chill out. Know that I'm sending you love from Belfast. Have a fantastic week ahead. This is going to be Monday when you're seeing this, so as I say, tell you, thanks again for all your support on this. What you could do is tune in, make sure you tune in to day 29, and I will talk about it on each of the videos anyway from now till then. So guys, listen, send you love from Belfast, and I look forward to chatting to you in the next video. And as I say, I'll pick a wee photograph out, which one you want. Yeah, leave it with me guys. Send you love from Belfast, and thanks again for watching.